The rich aren't trying to be debt-free. That's the lie we've all been sold. While you're working overtime to pay off every dollar you owe, wealthy people are taking on more debt to build their fortunes. The difference? One simple rule. Good debt puts money in your pocket. Bad debt takes it out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which debts are working for you and which are working against you. The cash flow rule, money in versus money out. The rule is simple. Good debt puts money in your pocket every month. Bad debt takes it out. If the debt you're taking on creates positive cash flow, it's working for you. If it drains your bank account every month, it's working against you. Bad debt is anything that costs you money every month without giving you anything back. Credit cards are the perfect example. You swipe that card for clothes, dinners, gadgets, things that lose value the second you buy them. Then the bill comes. You're paying 18 to 24% interest on stuff that's already worthless. That interest keeps growing every single month. You're losing money with nothing to show for it except a closet full of clothes you don't wear. Car loans are the same trap, but here's what makes them worse. The moment you drive it off the lot, it loses 20% of its value. Your monthly payment is $500, but the car isn't putting $500 back in your pocket. That's negative cash flow. That's bad debt. But why is that same $500 was working for you instead of against you? Now let's talk about good debt. Good debt is debt that generates income. The classic example is rental property. You borrow $200,000 to buy a rental property. Your mortgage is $1,200, but rent is $2,000 a month. That's $800 of positive cash flow every single month. Your tenant is paying down your loan while you pocket the difference. And the property is appreciating over time. You're building equity you didn't pay for, but you only put down $40,000. So why does the bank's money count toward your returns? This is called you control a $200,000 asset with only $40,000 down. That's 5 times your money working for you. Your return isn't calculated on $200,000. It's calculated on your $40,000. If the property goes up 5%, that's $10,000 in equity. But on your $40,000, that's a 25% return. The bank gave you the other $160,000, and you get the upside. The government actually rewards you for using good debt. Interest bill with scissors cutting a tax label. Depreciation offsets your rental income. You pay less in taxes while the property goes up in value. The government rewards owning assets, not buying stuff. Bad debt gives you no tax breaks. Good debt reduces your tax bill while building your wealth. Most people think debt is a moral issue. Does this debt put money in your pocket or take it out? Most people avoid all debt because they don't know the difference. They think being debt-free is the goal. The real goal is positive cash flow. The wealthy aren't afraid of debt, they're strategic. The mistake is treating all debt the same. The rich use debt to buy income-producing assets. They're leveraging other people's money to build wealth faster. You can't win playing by different rules. You need to apply the cash flow rule to every decision. Here's your new filter: money in or money out. The wealthy ask this before every purchase or investment. This one rule separates the rich from everyone else. Review your debts, what's working for you and what's not. If it's negative, avoid it. If it's positive, embrace it. That's how you turn debt into wealth.